Hi guys, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to be putting together this green Aventurine moon earring kit. These kits are available at cherrytreebeads.com, and we have them with the green Aventurine, and we also have them with rainbow jasper as well. So these kites I just love. They're 3D, they're drilled at the top, so you can string it straight on a necklace, or you can wire wrap it like we're going to do for these earrings. So lots of options and lots of different stones. I love these. So we're going to be using stainless components and stainless wire today. So the stainless is a little bit more difficult to work with than some of the other wires that you'll work with. And you want to make sure that you've got some really nice strong cutters to work with this wire, because it can be a little bit tricky. So we're going to be using a 22 gauge. And I'm going to string this through here. And you've been given about a foot of wire with each kit. You will not need that, so there's a little bit extra in case you happen to mess up and need to try again. So I'm just going to string that on the wire, and then I'm going to push up both sides of the wire so that they crisscross at the top. And then once they crisscross at the top, I'm going to take the one that's a little bit longer, and I'm going to go to the top, and I'm just going to bend that up so that the shorter one, I can wrap around it. So I'm just gonna hold that all in place. And it might actually be better to hold it with my pliers right here. And then I'm gonna coil this around at the top. And then I'm going to take my cutters and cut off the excess wire. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to put them at the top, and I'm going to bend that away so that it's at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to put my pliers right in here, and I'm going to loop this around. And then before we coil it and close it, we're going to take this hoop and string it on there. And then I'm going to hold that right here and coil it back around a time or two. And then cut off the excess wire. I got a little tail right there. I'm going to just tuck that in. And then I'm going to use these jump rings to attach my hoop to the inside of my moon. So that's already open, but I'm just gonna have to open it just a little bit wider. And I'm going to attach my moon. And the hoop. And then I'm gonna put my pliers on either side and just twist it back into place. A little hard to get in here with the moon. Okay, there we go. So that's been attached, and then we're going to attach this moon at the top with another jump ring. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. And with jump rings, you don't want to pull them apart, you want to twist them open so that you can easily twist them back into place. So I'm gonna put one moon on there, and the other moon on there, and twist it into place. Now we're going to attach the fishbone chain with a jump ring also. So I'm going to take that, twist that open. And I'm probably going to start with the chain because it's a little bit tricky to get it in there sometimes if you go the other way. I found out with the rainbow one I was doing. All right, so yeah, that works better to do it that way. And then we're going to take both of our pliers and close it shut. last thing that we have to do is twist open the bottom of the ear wire and attach that and close it. And there's one earring. And we'll just do the same for the other one. So I'm going to cut off some wire. String it on here. Push both my sides up. And then I'm going to take the longer side and point it straight up. And then I'm going to come in here and hold this. Take this and wrap it around. And it looks like the wire got a little crooked. Let's see if I can go in here and fix that. There we go. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. I'm going to tuck this side in. And I'm going to clean this up a little bit where I've got it a little wonky. There we go. And then now that it's going straight up, we're going to put the pliers there, bend it away, make our little loop. And we're going to attach our hoop, hold it, and coil this back around. And oh, I think it could go a little bit further. And tuck that little tail in. And then from here we want to use our jump ring and attach it to the moon. Then close these together. Sometimes hard to get a grip on these, they're so little. And then we're going to take another jump ring and attach the top. Sometimes I go in and I use the bottom right here of the pliers. You know, it just kind of helps to hold things sometimes if I don't have an extra pair of chain rows right in front of me to grab. And then we're going to take this last jump ring and see if you grab it down there, it just doesn't slip as much as it does on the round nose. Oh, found out it's better to do this way first. So I love this fishbone chain. I think it is so fun and unique, and just, you know, even 3 little things of it add so much to a design. And we're going to put that here. And then I'm going to twist these back into place. And then we're going to add the ear wire. So you might have a couple extra jump rings in your kit. We included an extra because there's nothing worse than dropping one on the floor and not being able to find it and not being able to complete your project. So, and then twist that back into place. And there you have it. 2 earrings completed in 10 minutes. So thanks so much for watching. These kits can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Have a great day.